Okay, Becky, this is for you because you asked me to do a video on the way home. It's for everybody as well. It's for you, Cheb, you, Martin, and you, Kerry, and Matt and Pearl. So, Wildhearts tunes on the way home. I was going to go for Danny's Dancin, but do it afterwards. I'm going to go for OCD, my favourite songs. There's a B-side, that's insane. So here we go. Rolling. Yo, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Down and getting me down. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Down, down as you're getting me down. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Down, down as you're getting me down. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. I'm down as you're getting me down. Hey. Need a camera. I need a camera. Check it out. It's poor Bob again, covered up by the graffiti. We still love him. You know, check it out. Yeah, wow, yeah. I'll just cut the music. Ring the bell tonight. It's 12:15. Amy landlady says it's a lock-in. Do you want to stay in, Gary? I was with Ben, and I went, I'd love to. I'm being semi-sensible. I need to get up at 5, so it's midnight. So I could be still in the bell now. Gonna have to leave, but yeah. Check it out. Come on, check it out. It's on fire. Oh, it's a dark bit, Martin. Need to run to the light. Oh, there's people here. Evening.
Evening.
Yeah, I'm talking into my phone.
I can see.
Say hi.
Alright.
Have a good night.
Okay.
This is the quiet bit with the drums. You know this bit. I'd love them to do this live again. Damn. I remember when they did it in Northampton and they had a gridded like thing round Rich. Oh no, Steady on drums. Oh, what a song. We need to ask Ginger will they do this again. That'd be great. What a tune. Oh, drink. Down now. It's dark again, Martin. Go, run to the light, I'm running. God, it's a bit of a run. Oh, now we're in the light. Oh. What's the time? Fucking hell, 1:45. I was going to go for a run. I set my alarm for 4 o'clock on Tuesday, but sod that. I set for 5:15. It's dark again. Can't see my beautiful face. Oh, you lucky buggers, I'm back. Love you, Chevy. Love you, Kerry, Martin, Becky. You're all awesome. It's still going for the drum bit. Shh. I should be quiet already. I'm near houses. Shh. I'm not sure you know where I'm in on the song now. It's the big instrumental bit. Here it comes. The vocals come back in. Wow, yeah. I mean, damn. Yeah, I'll run again. I'm running. Man's on fire. My soul is clear, too good fit to stand. Oh, knackered. Again, too good here beside me. Down, drown. Oh, where's my iPod? Oh, Action Panzer. I don't want that one. I want to go for Danny's dancing. He's dancing. Apparently he paid in. Was it Edinburgh? He had the whole gig on his feet. Swim, take a dive. Alive. Right. I'll be dancing tonight. So, how are you? Where are you? Right. I've been dancing tonight. Not too tough. Sometimes you've had enough. I'll see you coming. Ba 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 yeah. Ba 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 yeah. Ba 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 ba. Now. Alright. This is a short song. Live. I'm done dancing. What's show next? I'm dancing tonight. I'm going dancing tonight. Cha. Oh. That's finished. It's gone quiet now. I'm going to off that one. What should we go on? Hutzpah? What do you reckon? So I've got about 10 minutes to walk home. Hutzpah Junior, Endless Nameless, Fuck, Renaissance. Should I go for the new album? Nah, bother. Could go for the new album, but I'll go for what's on Caffeine Morning? Girlfriend's Clothes, bullshit. I'm not sure. It's been running for 7 minutes. Have you managed this far, people? Well done. Many don't. Fishing for Luckies. I was going for Geordie in Wonderland, but I bloody haven't got it. How annoying is that? No, I won't go for Sky Baby. I think it's a bit long. A bit boring, isn't it? A bit boring. But do Channel Bop. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, do the Channel Bop. Din, 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 din. Oh, there's a cat. There's a ginger cat. Hello. I wonder if he likes the Wildhearts. Hello. Come here. Oh. There he goes. He doesn't like the Wildhearts. He's a ginger cat as well. Thought he'd be into the Wildhearts for a ginger thing. Da 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 da. I wonder how many people hear me. I'm trying to be quiet. I sneaked my drink out of the bell. Naughty. Search your mouth. See that I'm ignoring you. Up and down. Trying to get a message through. Just a roll up out. Miles away. Many big. Oh! I thought. Oh shit. There I go. Sanity. No good shit. No. Myself. Do the Channel Bop, people. Someone else. Oh, Stark again. Stark, Martin. God, the light's down, look. Fucking hell, council cuts and that, innit? Wonder, just turn me. I'm gonna run across the road to go to the light and then back in. Love the good boys and girls. We'll do the Channel Bop. I sing girls do. We'll do the Channel Bop. Good boys and girls in the Channel Bop. Private room. Has resumed. I went back. They really went. God, Ginger's a fucking genius, isn't he? Lyrics. Seriously. Oh, Malcolm Steen. Standing at the front door, the back door. And rock about. We have 9 to 5. You're in bed time. Sensation, patient. That's not vacation. In silence, in wonder. Put me under, store the rage. All of the goodbyes and good. I want to the channel bop. Sing along. Bop. Good girls and girls in the. Oh, it's dark again. Bop. Oh, channel bop. Oh, it's the instrumental. We're coming up to my favourite phone box. Fans of my videos will recognise it. There it is. Oh, I feel the need to go in again. As usual. Oh, somebody's left. What's this? What's going on there? What do people use phone boxes for these days? 2 videos probably. That's the best said. Oh, you've heard that one. Bent dancing for machine. Yeah. Anybody there? No. It's broke. I'll sing into it. It's the instrumental bit. I've got to be up in 4 hours. Call an emergency, I've got to be in 4 hours. Could you wake me up? Right, out the telephone box. Question is, am I going to have crumpets when I get home? Oh, there's 2 people in front of me. They probably were behind me, in the telephone box. It's dark again. Oh, this is the bit over to the trailer, over to the trailer, over to the trailer. The channel bop, apparently Ginger said it's about when talking to somebody, they're boring you and you just turn channels and you don't listen to them. Go into the trailer, go into the trailer. To the trailer, go into the trailer. Oh, what a tune, seriously. It's insane. God, you lasted this long. We just got to 14 minutes. I bet you've skipped bits, haven't you? You want to get to the good bits. The best bit is at the end when I shut up, probably. No, by myself. Go and talk to someone else. Patient, it's on vacation, and wonder. Just put you under, store the rage. All of the good boys and girls in the to the channel bar. Good boys and girls in the. I'm coming up to the bridge. It's not Vernix, so I'm not gonna jump off the cliff, jump off the bridge, and build my wings on the way down. There it is. No. It hurt my knees last time. Channel Bop. Oh. Finish my fag before I go. Love the good boys and girls. I'll do the Oh, it ends weird, doesn't it? Am what I am. That is all I am. I am it. Wow. Obviously, this is Fish for Luckies, though. Oh, tune. And things and roundabouts on moon and swings and roundabouts and swings around. And now sort out. Fire. Swings and roundabouts. And now sort out. Sort out. No. I've got a headache. Fuck it. The moon and swings around about. Sort it out. Bastard. Oh, another tune. People that say they like original Fish for Luckies. No, this is a fucking great Fish for Luckies. Oh yes, just like the time back in '89. See, you with suck a little dick, and you're around one more. You're on the store, you're trying to watch on me. I know your ability. Goodbye, East West. The Wildhearts. And then. And bam again when you realize just a bit too late. Sounds familiar. That will do. You pick up the fence from your ass and you dream like pop stars. Our souls we just in. You're out in a friend. In a man. In a man. In a man. Not friend. Not friend. Man. In a man. Not friend. It's that speech bit. Is an all. All the heck. Now the speech bit. I'm trying to put my roll it out. Right. I don't litter. I'll put called sweet. This is the end of the video. It's gonna break down now. I'm gonna keep on listening to the music, but movement vibration means grave. Now. Ding ding it. Now. Ding ding it. Now. Ding ding it. Now. That's Sky Babies. We're not going to do Sky Babies. It's like 10 minutes. Shalom. Enough planet Earth. Back in the planet. I say good night. I need to go to bed. Need to get up in the morning. I love you all, and it's the end. Yeah, Sky Baby's playing, so knowing me, knowing you. Love you all. Knowing me, knowing you. Aha!